Hey guys, what's going on? It's the digital tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how to turn off comments on a Facebook post. So if you find this video helpful, please leave a like on the video, drop a comment below, and consider subscribing to my channel for more how-tos, tech tutorials, step-by-steps, tips and tricks, and everything tech and digital related. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and come to facebook.com. And then in the top right hand corner, you want to click on this down arrow where it says account and go ahead and click on settings and privacy. And then we're going to go and click the settings button at the top here. Okay, so from here, if you look at the menu on the left hand side, what you want to do is come down and click on this one here which says public posts. And from there you'll see this will open up a new screen here, and on the second option down, this one here where it says public post comments, who can comment on your public post. If you go ahead and click onto edit, and what's going to happen, it's going to bring up a little drop down box and you can choose who can actually comment on your public posts. So for example, you can have it set to public, which means anyone can comment on your posts. You can have it set to friends of friends, which means friends of friends can comment on your posts, or you can have it set to just your friends, which means just your friends can comment on your post. Okay, so I mean, at the moment, there's no way for an option for to make it so no one can comment on your post. Hopefully, Facebook will release something in the future for that. But the best way around it is to go to this option and set that from public to friends, which means only your friends are going to comment on your post. So you can see that saved it now. It says who can comment on your public posts, friends. So I hope you found that helpful, and if you did, drop a like on the video, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.